In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a section on Wix. If you're cleaning up a page, removing outdated content, or simplifying your layout, deleting a section in the Wix editor takes just a moment. A section, sometimes called a strip, is a full width block on your page that can contain text, images, buttons, and other elements. When you delete a section, everything inside it goes too, so it's worth confirming you've selected the correct area before you proceed. Start by moving your mouse over the section you want to remove. You'll see the blue highlight and a small label indicating that the entire section is selected, not just a single element. This quick check helps you avoid deleting the wrong thing. Now right-click on that section to open the context menu. From the options that appear, click Delete. As soon as you do, Wix removes the entire section and closes the space it occupied, bringing the content below it up the page. That's it. The section is gone. If you change your mind or deleted the wrong section, don't worry. Use Undo or press Ctrl plus Z on Windows, Command plus Z on Mac to instantly bring it back. Wix also keeps a site history, so you can restore earlier versions if you ever need to roll back bigger changes. A couple of quick tips before you move on. Deleting a section affects both desktop and mobile views because you're removing it from the page entirely. If your goal is to keep it on desktop but not on mobile, consider using device-specific visibility settings instead of deleting. Also, be mindful not to confuse page sections with your global header or footer. Those top and bottom areas appear across many pages, and removing content from them changes multiple places at once. After removing a section, give your page a quick scan. Check that the spacing looks natural, animations or anchors still behave as expected, and that any links pointing to that section aren't used in your menus or buttons anymore. Small housekeeping like this keeps your site polished. When you're happy with the result, save your work and publish as you normally would so visitors see the updated page. And that's all there is to it. Right-click the section, click Delete, and your page is instantly cleaner. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.